Creative stamping, now this is issue 77, and it has silhouette stamping is what's being featured. Well, and that's nice because this is what's included. These are silhouette stamps, so you can see the big black areas, and these are featuring them by Sentimentally Yours, which is Phil Martin. So all of those stamps are included. Wow, that's quite a collection. In fact, it's as big as the magazine, isn't it? Now, in the magazine, I have tabbed some things that really caught my eye, and I'd like to share it with you. So doing the silhouettes can certainly go dark, but you can also do some mid-tones as well as even pastels or white stamping, and doing that with a either white ink pad, or you can do it with clear and put white embossing powder on it, however you choose. So right off the bat, we've got some fresh ideas. And here are more. Now this time we're getting more color in with them, and really pretty to have those kind of sunset colors, just really, really nice. I like the ghosted images here to create a scene, and that's really fun to do. And then we've got background magic is what this is called. So you can see that the scenes are being created, and you're getting more ideas, and some step-by-step photos right there, and more right there. Very fun. And things that you might not have thought of doing on your own. At least I know I wouldn't have. And really effective right there. And look how nice that is with doing a gradation. Very pretty. And let me see what else is here. Wow, now we're going to jump and get into some bright colors because of using all the words that are in the stamp set. So just want to make sure that you see those. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Oh, come, let us adore him. Joy to the world, from our house to yours. So some really good ones. And you can see that big spray that if you do that 2 ways, you're going to have a wreath. Just really nice. And now we've got more. This is stretching your stamps, so you can do some various things with them. And again, step-by-step instructions and photographs are included. And then we have the first Christmas. So if you want to have some faith-based cards, there are some ideas for you. And there are more. I think this is just stunning, using that stamp and the other stamps, but in a ghosted manner. Just really beautiful. I think the Creative Stamping issue 77 with these wonderful stamps is a treasure that you can use year after year.